There are a wide variety of drawing tools on the TradingView platform on the left-hand toolbar of the chart. We're going to start with simply adding a trend line. You can do this by clicking the tool on the left-hand side and selecting trend line. From here, for example, we can click once to begin the trend line, extend it, and then click again to end it. Let's do that one more time. We're going to grab another trend line, click to start, click to finish. Now that we've placed those trend lines on the chart, if you like, you can click on it and perhaps add some text to it. Maybe we'll call this one top channel. And down here, we could call this one bottom channel. Another really common tool to use is simply plotting support and resistance lines. For this, you can use a horizontal line, which is also activated by pressing Alt-H as the hotkey on your keyboard. For these ones, you just place it where you want it, click, and then if you want to adjust it, click and drag. Within each line that you draw, you can right-click on the line and click Settings to access a variety of settings that you can use for each line. For example, this trend line or horizontal line that we just placed, we're going to change the color of that to red. And we can also add the text in that way as well if we wanted to call this, say, support, for example. And for the coordinates, that's just going to, if you want to specify the exact price that the line is placed, though it's easier just to click and drag it most of the time. And this is an interesting one, is visibility. So if I want this line to show up maybe on the 15-minute chart, but I don't want it to show up on the daily chart, I can deselect the daily chart. Let's even deselect the hourly chart. And now this line will only be visible on the smaller time frames below the hourly chart and daily chart. You can also favorite your favorite tools by simply clicking on the star button next to them. So for example, if I want to favorite the trend line, you'll see that popped up into my toolbar at the top of the screen. This makes it really easy just to grab the tools that you want, have them available at your fingertips, and use them accordingly. As you can see, there's quite a wide variety of different drawing tools you can use within the platform. Trendline tools we just discussed. You also have Fibonacci tools. You also have patterns, forecasting and measurement tools, geometric shapes, and annotation tools.